Do you ever feel trapped in a monotonous routine, longing for a way out? Well, my friend, you're not alone. We all face challenges that seem insurmountable, leaving us frustrated and longing for change. But what if I told you there's a powerful technique that can transform your reality? Get ready, because in today's video, we'll be unlocking the secrets of manifestation. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our life-changing content. I'm Adam, and today we're diving deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard. In this video, we'll explore the concept of a strong imagination leading to the manifestation of our desires. But before we dive in, let me request you to stay tuned until the end, because I have a special blessing to share with you that will set you on your manifestation journey. Let's get started. Neville Goddard once said, "Creation is finished. What you see is the result of your own limitations." These profound words remind us that we have the power within us to shape our reality. It all begins with the power of visualization. Many successful individuals, from athletes to entrepreneurs, swear by the practice of visualization. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with those future manifestations. In doing so, we tap into the unlimited power of our subconscious mind. Picture this: a man who inherited a struggling business, drowning in debt and on the verge of collapse. But instead of despairing, this man turned to the power of his imagination to transform his circumstances. Through persistent imagination, he envisioned a billion-dollar success. And against all odds, his imagination became his reality. This incredible story emphasizes the Latin phrase, "a strong imagination begets the event." You see, the subconscious mind is like a supercomputer. It cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. When we consistently visualize our dreams, we send clear instructions to our subconscious, prompting it to tirelessly work towards making them a reality. So how can we build a strong imagination that brings forth our desires? The key lies in belief and persistence. When we hold unwavering faith that our desires are already fulfilled, our imagination becomes a portal through which these desires manifest in our physical reality. So where does God fit into all of this? Neville Goddard believed that God is not an external entity, but exists within your own wonderful human imagination. You are the dreamer creating your reality. The world around you is merely a reflection of your imagination. And by changing your imagination, you have the power to change your life. Believing in God is not just about acknowledging a higher power. It is about recognizing your imagination as the divine within you. When you truly embrace this, you tap into the unlimited potential that lies within. Your imagination becomes the key to manifesting your desired outcomes. Imagine this. You hold a clear image in your mind of what you want to achieve. You persistently hold on to this image, nurturing it with unwavering faith. And gradually, that image starts to manifest in your reality. Neville Goddard teaches us that persistently holding on to our imaginations can turn them into reality. In his teachings, Neville Goddard often referred to the Bible, highlighting the essence of its message regarding imagination and God. Many biblical stories reflect the power of imagination in shaping events. By understanding the symbolic messages woven into these stories, we gain deeper insights into the immense power of our own imagination. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of living in the end. Instead of fixating on the lack or absence of our desires, we must fully immerse ourselves in the feeling of already having them. This unwavering belief fuels our imagination, shaping the events in our lives. Think of your imagination as a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Take time each day to visualize your dreams, paying attention to the details and emotions associated with them. The more vivid your imagery, the more power you infuse into your manifestations. Manifestation is the process of bringing our desires and intentions into reality. It goes beyond simply daydreaming or wishing for something to happen. It involves actively aligning our thoughts, words, and actions with the reality we want to create. To manifest our desires, we must first have a clear idea of what we want. This could be anything from achieving a specific goal, attracting a certain experience or relationship, or improving our personal well-being. Once we have identified our desires, we need to shift our mindset and beliefs to align with them. This means letting go of limiting beliefs, self-doubt, and negative thought patterns that may be holding us back. Instead, we focus on positive affirmations, visualizations, and cultivating a sense of belief and confidence that what we desire is possible. However, manifestation is not just about changing our thoughts. It also requires taking inspired action. We need to actively work towards our goals, making choices and decisions that align with our desired reality. This might involve setting specific tasks or milestones, developing new skills, seeking opportunities, or taking risks. When we align our thoughts, words, and actions, we enter a state of flow. In this state, we become more open and receptive to synchronicities and opportunities that can help us manifest our desires. We notice signs and coincidences that guide us, and we attract people, resources, and circumstances that support our journey. Manifestation is a co-creative process between ourselves and the universe. It requires us to have intention, focus, and perseverance. By actively aligning our energy and actions with our desires, we can create the reality we want and invite positive change into our lives. Remember, the universe is always conspiring to help us manifest our desires. However, we must meet it halfway by being open to receive and taking meaningful steps towards our goals. Trust in the process, for your imagination holds the blueprint of your destiny. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're here to support you on your manifestation journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the power of imagination and manifestation. Share them in the comment section below, and let's create a community of like-minded individuals, supporting and uplifting each other along the way. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a blessing. May your dreams manifest effortlessly. May abundance flow into your life, and may you always be guided towards your highest good. Remember, you possess the power to create the life you desire. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep thriving. This is Adam, signing off.